Dixon, kind of suiting up. As you see, Chris is ready to go.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Dixon's watching Commando tonight. And like putting a little excitement in her life, you know. I'm gonna be wearing these, baby, so I can see what's going on.
You need that on?
Yeah, there you go. That's right, baby.
No,
you don't mess with us. Let me tell you, brother, it's gonna be chaos in Madison Square Garden, and we don't play around.
No one in your heart, baby.
I see you're wearing the Tar Heel Turf shirt tonight, Scott.
Oh yeah, let's get a
Tar Heel.
Woo, baby. Woo.
So, right now we're rolling down West King Street, and the excitement's about to begin.
Woo, baby. Oh man, set it up.
I think it takes a real man to do things like this, Chris.
Power in this bag. Power. Our muscles reflect the power that we have in this bag.
Watch for its stomach, baby. TNT! All right. Let's see here, okay. These are affectionately known as punks. It allows the perpetrator to, let's just say, carry a small flame. It's kind of a stealthful thing, if you know what I mean.
I see.
Stealthful. Our victim this evening will be Elizabeth Dixon.
Yeah, baby.
Charlatonian.
Better known as Dixon.
Dixon.
Talk about these a little bit.
Oh, look at those patriotic colors.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of a red, a white, and a blue.
Mm. Yeah. Get the heck out of here. Let's go, baby.
That was so loud, man. Let's get out of here, Chris. They'll call the police soon. Anybody in that apartment complex might. Oh, gosh.
Mission accomplished.
Oh, God. Getting some film of this.
Oh, yeah.
The getaway.
The getaway, baby. Man, this thing's really took off.
Elizabeth, what are you doing? I'm over here at my friend's house, Jim. What? What are you talking about?
You lost so bad.
Okay. Okay, wait, Dixon, just calm down. Let's see. Just calm down and take a deep breath. Okay,
You did not be doing this to me.
I know things are very upsetting right now, but how can you get more from your Nick at Night viewing pleasure? Let's see. What are you talking about, Dixon?
What?
We're having a hard time understanding, deciphering, kind of a communications bilingual
Tell her to
disorder.
take a deep breath, you know, see the ABCs backwards.
Take a good pan shot of this room. Let's determine if it is indeed your dorm room.
I don't think so.
No, it's not a dorm room.
I don't have Nintendo.